Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please excuse my voice. I am sick getting through a sinus infection, but I wanted to get this video out there because I got a really cool contest for you guys. Now this is going to be open to US shipping only. If you're out of the country, you're more than welcome to enter as long as you have somebody you can use their address for and they can forward this on to you. But the prizes are going to be 2 of these Packtalks from Cardo Systems. This is the top of the line communication system from Cardo. This is a combination mesh and Bluetooth. So if you're connecting to other Packtalk users, you can connect in mesh mode for the utmost of quality. Otherwise, you can connect to any of the older Cardo systems in Bluetooth mode, or even one non-Cardo, such as a Cena unit in Bluetooth mode. Now, the only catch is this giveaway is for main units only. Like Cena, Cardo offers these systems both separately as main units, and they also offer separate base units. And that's for people that run multiple helmets, so you don't have to buy complete systems. You can just buy the individual base units and just transfer this from helmet to helmet. The base unit is everything in the box except the main unit, the clamp, the speakers, the mic, the accessories, the cables, all that kind of good stuff. And they're cheap. They're around 50 bucks. I'll put the link below to the base unit, and that's all you would have to buy to have a complete Cardo Packtalk system for this giveaway. And like I said, giving away 2 of them, 2 separate winners. So it's not a dual system. So this is a very cool system. And like the 30K, they are virtually identical in features and specifications. This is great for single uprighting, which I do most of the time. 99% of the time when I'm using one of my comm systems, it's just for me. I love listening to music. I use it to stream the GPS audio from my phone. I use it for phone calls. And by the way, phone quality on these things, absolutely flawless. I take calls a lot. I never use it to dial out just because I never want to talk on the phone when I'm on the bike. But if there's an important call coming in, if it's a business call, my parents, my wife, that kind of thing, I'll take the call. I'm not kidding. Every single time somebody has said, oh, you know, sorry to bother you, thanks for the talk and all that kind of stuff, I'll say, yeah, no problem, I'm just out on the bike. They're like, what, you're on a motorcycle? I had no idea. That's how good the call quality is, as long as you have a good, quiet setup in your helmet out of the comm system. So it's just really convenient. So if you're in a group, obviously you can use it for that. But even when I'm out riding, most of the time, if I connect to somebody, it's a one-on-one ride kind of thing, and it's just to have a chat. I've only led one group, and I did have a connection during that. Didn't even have the opportunity or need to use it during that group ride. But even when I'm in a group ride, I don't typically connect to the group chat. I just like my music or nothing at all, just to hear the engine. So they're really good, not just for communicating with other riders. It's extremely useful for all kinds of other things. So I did a review of this. You can check that out. I'll put a little pop-up here in the corner. Like I said, giving it away. I will draw random winners from comments on this video on YouTube in 1 week, and I'll be sending out 2 of these to lucky winners. That's it. See ya.